March 14th, 2023. How's it going, guys? I would take a short little walk this morning out here by Bass Pro. Looks like they're doing some building again out here. Check that sunrise. Maury. Check it out, guys. Couple ducks there. There's a geese. The old waterfall ain't going this morning. It'll be cold. Check out the redbird, guys. Singing for you this morning. Well, look at that sun, guys. We're up on the bridge, guys. Looks like it got a lot of inspectors. They got Blue Springs, Independence. Must be all coming out there for that new construction. Well, it's all split here. Interesting. There's some more geese. Cool. Made it to the circle up here. No cheddar's way far up there. And maybe all that money they're spending over there to build all that stuff, maybe they can put a little bit more asphalt down here. This is not looking too good here. Look at that. Oh, not good. That's big deep holes there. You even got a robin up there, guys.